Good morning, North Fulton Chamber. My name is Stephanie. Taylor, and I'm here with Holly Casey. We are the Client Relations Coordinator and Director for Atlanta Divorce Law Group. So thank you for letting us speak with you today. This is our impressive team, and yes, it is all ladies, but that doesn't mean that we're opposed to hiring men. We just haven't found Mr. Right yet.
Okay.
We do, however, represent equally as many men as we represent women because we know that dads are really important in the lives of their children. So. This is some highlights. Like I said, I was begging for 7 minutes. I only have 5 now. But we have an amazing team at Atlanta Divorce Law Group. These are just some of the awards that we've won. I can't put them all up here. We have a 10 out of 10 rating on AVO. Between our attorneys, they have over 60 years of complex litigation experience. They speak 4 languages. We're super lawyers year after year. One of our attorneys was the top litigator for DFACS, so we're very familiar with family law cases. She's also won 2 Cali Awards for academic excellence, which basically means she was the top scoring student in not 1 but 2 of her law courses. So it's an amazing team that you can be proud to send people to. So what makes us different? Why would you send your friends to our firm? We are constantly being asked by our owner, like, what is our why? Why are we practicing? Why do people come to us for their family law matters? And let me mention too, we don't just handle divorces. We also handle adoption, child custody, child modification, child support, so anything to do with family law. Some of the things that make us different is we don't have a set retainer. In fact, our firm doesn't really use retainers. We'll have a client come in and we'll learn about them and we'll learn about their case. Every case is different. And then we'll decide what the retainer fee should be for that particular case. We have a workflow management system, which is kind of unique for a law firm. So cases are initiated, and every time a task is completed, it initiates other tasks. So clients and cases don't get lost in the paperwork or in the shuffle. Every client gets a team, so that same workforce system allows us to keep track of everything that's happening. So when you have a case going on with us, there's not going to be just one attorney or one paralegal that knows what's going on. We all know what's going on with your case at any given moment. And one thing that makes us really unique is we have a concierge divorce advocate. So we're going to be with our clients and get them through the legal process, but we also are dedicated to helping them get a fresh start, get their feet on the ground after the divorce process is over. So we have what we call a Team 100 referral list. These are service people that we have vetted out and have personal relationships with in every single region of Atlanta. And so, say for example, a newly divorced dad gets called into work at the last minute, they can call us, and we have babysitters and nannies that they can trust. Or in the same way, a newly divorced mom, we have handymen that she can call to trust. This is a great quote by Jennifer Warner: "Divorce is not a tragedy is staying in an unhappy marriage, teaching your children the wrong things about love. Nobody ever died of divorce." There are so many negative stigmas attached to divorce, and we just don't believe that it should be that way. It's not necessarily a failure. A lot of times it's somebody who's willing to fight for a happier future for themselves and their children. So we trademarked happily ever after divorce because we've seen some of the success stories and the peace and happiness that comes after. So what we look for in a referral, since that's what we're all here for, is responsiveness. We want a client who's going to return phone calls. We need some financial dependability. The more complex your case, the more expensive it's going to be. We want someone who desires to work with us, to be part of our team and feel that empowerment of having input. And somebody that's interested in creating a happy, healthy future, not somebody who's in it to be bitter or vengeful, because at the end of the day, a divorce is all about business. I wanted to point you guys to our website, atlantadivorcelawgroup.com. This is all written by attorneys, financial planners, counselors. It is an amazing place for information dealing with any kind of family law matter. And so that's it. So how many people in the room, by show of hands, are happily married? Okay, the rest of you poor souls, see me afterwards.
Still got 1 minute.
Do we have any questions?
Any questions, anybody?
Stephanie, do you want to talk about our social media? Kind of let them know on our social media, Facebook, Twitter,
Sure.
Instagram.
So again, if you go to Atlanta divorcelawgroup.com. You can also find links to our Facebook and social media pages. We, well, actually it's me, because I do marketing for us, and so we have great links to blogs and information and articles that will help educate you, and it's just another great resource for you. So, question?
Do you practice in Forsyth County?
We do. That doesn't mean that she's going to get a divorce. Yes, sir.
What percentage would you say are actually happily after?
What percentage?
Not of your clients,
Of people,
but
since you have
overall.
insight.
Honestly, I would have to say just about everybody. I mean, you know, I for one can be a testament. I was in an unhappy marriage for 16 years, and it was a complete relief for myself and my kids. And I met somebody new, and my kids got to see what a healthy relationship is like. So I wouldn't trade it for anything. So,
All right, thank you very
so
much.
Thank you so much.